हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे विल बी डिस्कस अबाउट स्टडी स्किल्स। ओके, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है स्टडी स्किल्स क्या होते हैं। स्टडी मीनिंग, पहले हम स्टडी का मीनिंग पढ़ते हैं। लर्न न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन, यानी नई इन्फॉर्मेशन को सीखना। फॉर्मुलेट इट इनटू नॉलेज एंड अप्लाई इट इन ऑर्डर टू डेवलप न्यू स्किल्स, नए स्किल्स को डेवलप करना। स्टडी स्किल्स मीनिंग, स्टडी स्किल्स आर द स्ट्रेटजी यूज टू इम्प्रूव द लर्निंग एबिलिटी। ये क्या करती है, हमारी लर्निंग एबिलिटी को इम्प्रूव करती है। इट हेल्प्स इन एनहेंसिंग द पोटेंशियल ऑफ अ पर्सन बाय इम्प्रूविंग हिज एबिलिटी टू रीड। ओके, पढ़ने की योग्यता को भी बढ़ावा देती है। स्टडी स्किल्स आर एसेंशियल टू सिलेक्ट एंड ऑर्गेनाइज इंफॉर्मेशन व्हेन ओवरवेल्म्ड विद वेरियस इंफॉर्मेशन। Study skills are study strategy are discrete techniques that can be learned and applied to all or most fields of study. They are approaches applied to learning and generally critical for success in schools. They are considered essential for acquiring good grades and useful for learning throughout one's life. The study skills are an array of skills that tackle the process of organizing and taking in new information, retaining it, and also dealing with assessment. They include mnemonics, which assist in the retention of list of information, effective reading, concentration techniques, and efficient note taking. Broadly speaking, any skill that boosts a person's ability to study and pass examination can be termed as a study skill. Along with time management and motivational techniques, there are various other factors that are included in study skills. स्टडी स्किल्स क्या होते हैं? पे अटेंशन इन क्लास, टेक गुड नोट्स, कीप ऑन ऑर्गेनाइज नोटबुक फॉर ईच सब्जेक्ट, नो द पर्पज ऑफ ईच असाइनमेंट, आस्क क्वेश्चंस इन क्लास, रिव्यू. It can help you retain 80% of the information. Plan a definite time and place for study each day. Study for a while and take short breaks. Don't cram for hours the night before a test. Study a little bit each day. Habits for good study. क्या हैबिट्स हैं गुड स्टडी की? टाइम मैनेजमेंट, टाइम को मैनेज करना, सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन होना और सेल्फ डिस्कवरी। कंसंट्रेशन एंड मेमोराइजेशन और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। The key to become an effective student is learning to know how to study smarter, not harder. This is applicable as you advance in education. The vast majority of successful students achieve their success by developing and applying effective study habits. In order to increase knowledge and the ability to learn and improve assimilated information, the following habits can be very helpful. Do not attempt to memorize all your studying in one session. The successful students typically space their work over short periods of time. They don't try to give a go in one attempt. You need to be consistent in studies and have regular and shorter study periods. प्लान, व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू स्टडी, जब आप कोई स्टडी करने जाना है तो आप योजना बनाएं। द सक्सेसफुल स्टूडेंट शेड्यूल एंड सेट स्पेसिफिक टाइम फॉर द होल वीक when they are going to study, then they stick to the schedule. Students who do not have a definite study plans and they do sporadic study usually do not perform well. Students create and follow consistent study routine. When you study at the same time each day and each week, the studying would become a regular part of the life. The student would be mentally and emotionally prepared for each study session, and then each study session would become more productive. Study skills involve research and assimilation of information. It is used to make research on a topic by gathering and organizing information. Reading can be of any form such as an oral presentation, graphs, maps, tables or diagrams, a poster, a model or a design, etc. Every study time should have a specific goal. Studying without direction will not be effective. देखिए, कोई भी स्टडी जो है बिना डायरेक्शन के इफेक्टिव नहीं होती। ही शुड नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू नीड टू अकम्प्लिश ड्यूरिंग ईच स्टडी सेशन. Before the commencement of the study session, a goal should be set aside that would support the overall academic goal. Successful students never procrastinate studying. If you procrastinate your study session, the studying would become less effective and you may not get everything accomplished that you plan to do. Procrastination leads to rushing, and this rushing is a major cause of failure. So never put off your study session because of lack of interest in a particular subject, even if you have other things to do or just because the assignment is hard. Way of study. Everyone studies in different way. One person may be comfortable with a technique, but another person may not feel comfortable with same technique. He may prefer to comfortable with another technique. Everyone has to choose the method of studies. Advanced literacy and communication skills, the ability to apply these in appropriate context, including the ability to construct and present coherent, concise, and sustained arguments. Competence in the planning and execution of presentation, projects, reports, essays, and other formal writings. Ability to abstract and synthesize information and to organize the results appropriately. Ability to analyze data to express the results of the analysis cogently and concisely. Ability to draft and redraft text to achieve clarity of expression and exposition and to produce a register and style appropriate to the context. The ability to assess merit and demerits of contrasting theories and explanations, including those of other disciplines. Ability to think and reason critically, to evaluate evidence and argumentation, to form a critical judgment of one's own work as well as the work of the others, both in academic and non academic domains. Ability to recognize problems and to develop problem solving strategy. Ability to acquire complex data and information of diverse kinds from a variety of sources, libraries, internet, corporum, independent fieldwork, and data collection. Elements of learning. क्या हैं एलिमेंट्स? नोइंग, जानना, कॉम्प्रिहेंडिंग, अप्लाइंग, एनालाइजिंग, सिंथेसाइजिंग, एवलेटिंग. 5 स्टेप स्ट्रेटजी टू स्टडी. क्या हैं? SQ3R. 5 steps strategy that can be used while reading any text. SQ3R stands for a step constituting the strategy. Reading and recording helps to get a clear understanding of the text and also to grasp the message of the text. These 5 steps in the strategy, when followed sequentially, will help to satisfy the true purpose of reading. क्या है SQ3R? S means survey, Q for questions, R for read, R recall, recite या write, or and last R meaning review. Survey is the first and foremost step in this strategy. It is done before reading the entire text. It helps to get an overall idea about the topic. It also includes the pictorial part of the text, tabular representation, statistical of graphical representation of data, if any, or captions that are highlighted. Question from question using why, how, what, when, where, who under heading. It is a thinking skill. Okay, क्या ये thinking skill है? Heading try to speak about many issues from questions from each issues. Then this will develop the eagerness to get the answer for all the questions. Read the entire text given under each heading. Be clear with the purpose of study. Get the main idea from each paragraph and extract the important details related to the main idea. If not clear with any sentence, read it twice or thrice slowly to understand. Style क्या है रीडिंग की? Study like reading. It is used when the material is difficult and is of higher level of comprehension. It is essential to read word by word to have more understanding and to have better clarity. Browsing, looking at the structure of the text, proportion of diagrams, and locating the summary and conclusion part. Skimming क्या है? It is used when it is enough to get an overall idea about the topic. This includes only the major information each paragraph and leaves the other supportive and explanatory part. Scanning, it is used when it is required to locate a piece of information that you already knew from the text. The information can be a number of words or any specific fact. इसकी कुछ की लर्निंग स्टाइल्स हैं, जैसे विजुअल, इसको स्पेशल कहते हैं, ओरल, ऑडिटरी, वर्बल, लिंग्विस्टिक, फिजिकल, किनेस्थेटिक, लॉजिकल, मैथमेटिकल, सोशल, इंटरपर्सनल एंड सॉलिटरी इंटरपर्सनल। जो विजुअल और स्पेशियल है वो है लर्निंग थ्रू इमेजरी एंड स्पेशियल अंडरस्टैंडिंग, और ओरल ऑडिटरी लर्निंग थ्रू लिसनिंग साउंड एंड म्यूजिक, वर्बल लिंग्विस्टिक में लर्निंग थ्रू स्पीच एंड राइटिंग, फिजिकल में लर्निंग थ्रू हैंड्स ऑन टैक्टाइल इंट्रैक्शन, और लॉजिकल में लर्निंग थ्रू लॉजिक रीजनिंग एंड सिस्टम, सोशल यानी कि इंटरपर्सनल प्रेफरेंस फॉर learning in groups or working with other people, solitary interpersonal preference for a learning by self study. Every person has a different unique learning preferences and styles that suit them. Each individual prefers their own learning style in varying circumstances. In fact, there is no right or wrong learning style. What matters is the learning style that is best for you, or mix of style. However, by discovering and better understanding one's own learning pattern, can employ techniques that will improve the rate and quality of learning. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.